Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money online just by clipping on Whop. I said clipping because there are other ways to make money on Whop, but this video will be focusing mostly on clipping. But before I explain how to make money on Whop, let me generally explain what Whop is. Whop is an online platform that allows anyone to create an online hub, which is known as a Whop, for a huge range of digital products and services. With Whop, you can offer up access to digital courses, digital skills, and many other things. So now, Whop clipping is actually when you look for a campaign on Whop and join the community. When you join the community and follow their guideline, upload their videos, and when that your videos get to 1K views, you are being paid for it. And how much you are being paid depends on how much that is being tagged on the community that you joined. But it's not that easy to make money on Whop. Yes, it's not that easy. There are steps that you need to follow, and that is why I'm making a video to show you the steps you have to follow so that you can come out and make good amount of money from this platform. So if you are really interested, I would like you to go to the comment section and type Whop clipping in the comment section. That is if you're interested. Go to the comment section and type Whop clipping in the comment section. And if you are not yet subscribed, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video. Don't forget to turn notification bell so at any time video just like this you will get notified. Now this video is going to be taken on different steps, and some of the steps which I'm going to be teaching on this video is how to create Whop accounts, how to join clipping communities, how to set up all the various accounts needed, and also how to make viral clipping videos. Now to create your Whop account, click the first link on my description to fill in your details and create your account. Now to join clipping communities, just click on discover and it will take you to this place. Here you will discover a lot of communities, a lot of pages where people are paying creators to clip their content. This is a win-win for both parties because the creator, the owner of those communities are getting their brands to more people, and the creators that are helping them push their brand to more people are also getting paid through it. So now to join any of the community, just click on join and it will take you inside a community. Now one thing you should take note of is the blue tick, the blue button on this page right now. So these blue buttons here are it's actually will show you how much creators are being paid per 1K views. Second thing you should take note of is the green line that you can see right there. That green line is where it's what will show you if the platform, if the community have reached its pay limit, because you don't want to join a community that reach its pay limit. Because even though you make a video on those type of community, even though your videos get to thousands of views, you are not going to get paid for it because they have already reached their pay limit. Another thing you should take note of is the day that is remaining. Yes, the days left for the campaign to end, because you don't want to join a campaign that will be ended tomorrow, because if you join those kind of campaign before you get to 1K views, the campaign have already ended and you won't make any money from it. Another thing also is make sure you read the requirements so that you will know all what you need to do to be able to make money from it. And also make sure you submit the link to the post. Yes, once you have uploaded the post, make sure you submit the link to that post within 1 hour of uploading that video, so that it will be approved by the community. Now to get a lot of views on your videos and make money from it, you just have to follow this step. Step 1, create an account. The first account you have to open is you have to create a fresh Gmail account. Yes, a fresh Gmail account. Just create a fresh Gmail account. And number 2, the second account you have to open now, use that Gmail account to open a new YouTube page. Yes, open a new YouTube page. And then you verify your YouTube page. You use your phone number to verify it and use your face to verify it. And the next thing you have to do now is your page, your channel name. Yes, use a name similar to the campaign that you are currently in. Yes, that will help the community. That will help the community approve your videos more faster. Now step 2 is leave your account for some time. Once you have already created the account, leave it for some time. Don't post for 4 to 5 days. Yeah, once you have created your account, don't post from 4 to 5 days, because if you start posting immediately you create the account, YouTube will think that you are a bot you are a robot, you are a bot, and they won't push your video. They might even end up terminating your account. Then you watch videos similar to your content, yes, similar to the kind of content you are uploading, you are going to upload on that channel. Start watching video similar to it, yes, so that this will help YouTube boost your algorithm, understand your algorithm well, so that when you start uploading your video, it will know those to share your videos to. Engage with those videos that you are watching, yes. Make sure you like the video, share and subscribe, yes, so that when those people, this will help the video to actually, this will help you to actually know your algorithm, boost your algorithm, so that you will, next time you will know the kind of content to upload. The next step now is you start posting. When posting, post one video per day. Yes, post one video per day. Once you post one shot, wait for 24 hours or more than 18 hours before you post your next video. Make sure there's minimum of 18 hours between your first post and your second post. Yes, make sure there's a minimum of 18 hours before you post again after you already post a video. Because once you start posting regularly posting, maybe you are posting this hour, the next one you post, YouTube will think it's a robot that's operating this channel and it might terminate the account. Now the step 4 is your video editing. Yes, your video editing quality. Make sure your video editing quality is good, because you might think that YouTube is not pushing your video while the fault is actually coming from you. Yes, make sure your video is good. And while editing, use 9:16 dimension. Yes, your dimension should be 9:16. Your video quality should be very good. Yeah, your video quality should be good, like from 1080 pixel upward. Yes, that will be good. Then you add your own edit, like your you can add subtitle, b-rolls and stuff like that. Yes, other stuff, sounds to it to make it more interesting and more engaging. So now that you are done with account setup, now let's talk about how we can edit our video so that it will get more views faster. There are different ways for you to edit your video. You can either edit it yourself, use AI to edit it, or you can pay video editors to edit your videos for you. Now let's start with editing ourselves. Yes, so for me, I use KineMaster to edit. Yes, I use KineMaster to edit, because right now, before I use CapCut, but right now we all know that CapCut is no longer free and some issues. CapCut is giving some people headache. So most time I use KineMaster to edit, and I have the premium version of KineMaster. So I advise you, if you want to use KineMaster to edit, you can use the premium version, or you can use other video editing app, but I use KineMaster to edit. Now to edit it, just look for the video that you are being given to clip on. Look for the, just search through the video and look for the part that you know that is going to go more viral, that you know is interesting and it will go viral, and cut out from 45 to 60 seconds of that part from the main video. Now you can set the dimension to 9:16, just as I've said earlier. Then you start editing it. You add your b-rolls, add your sound, and you can add your subtitle. For me, when it comes to subtitle, which is auto caption, I use Zimo. Yes, Zimo have been one of the best apps that I use for subtitle, and just for me to just watch an ad and they will give me access for it to, for me to be able to use it to auto caption my videos. Now the second way for you to edit your video is using AI. Now right now, one of the best AI tool you can use right now is Oppo Clips. Yes, Oppo's Clip is one of the best you can use right now, and it's actually, you can see the free version. There's also the free version. You can use the free version and it's going to work for you just as normal. What you just have to do is just to upload that videos that you are being given, upload it on your Oppo Clips. And once you upload it there, it might take some time depending on how long and how good your video is. And once you have done that, the next thing you have to do is click on generate clip. You use that videos to generate clip. You can just check, you can see the one on my screen right now. I use Oppo Clips to generate it.
Media to grow over 3 million subscribers, but all kinds of different people in our community have applied this strategy in different niches. I'm going to be explaining how to start brand new channel.
Now the third way for you to edit your video is for you to use video editor, for you to pay video editors to edit your video for you. That is if you have the money. So if you have the money, there are different websites. You can use Upwork, Fiverr, and other places for you can use them to to look for video editors to edit your video. And also, if you're actually looking for a video editor, you can just reach out to me. I actually do video editing for people, and I actually do it for a nice fee. Yes, so you can actually reach out to me and I'm going to edit your videos for you. So once you have actually done with your editing, you can now upload your videos to a platform, YouTube or TikTok, whatever platform you want to upload that they ask you to upload it. Remember, you have to follow their rules and regulations. So the platform they ask you to upload it. Once you have already uploaded it on that platform, go and submit the link to the community. Once you have submitted the link, wait for your video to reach 1K and you start making your money. So that is how you can start making money on Whop. Yeah, that's how you can start clipping on Whop and start making money from it. So if you're ready to start, let me know in the comment section if you are ready to start. And also, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Drop it in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer you. If you have been looking for other ways where you can make money online, yes, using just your smartphone, click the video that will show right now on the screen and it will take you to my other videos where I teach about how you can make money online. If you are not yet subscribed, once again I encourage you to hit that subscribe button, like this video and share the video so that anytime I leave a video you will get notified. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.